I really want to work with Vicky Kaushal once. I think he's just fantastic. तो तब कि यार मेरी बिल्डिंग में लोग सुन ले मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा गाना. So I felt like I could do it. थोड़ी सी बड़ी हो गई हो शादी कर लो. So I mean they've never said मैं डर गई थी काफी. So I remember this moment where Lakshman sir was like, you know what, it got a little bit. मुझे आइडिया था कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ.
आपका ट्रेलर देखा.
You know, amongst such big actors and such talented actors, it just could get very intimidating. But I feel like my prep was strong because, I mean, I don't have so much experience, but I really put my head down and I've worked a lot on Meera with my director, and I did a few workshops alone and with Ashim. And उसके पहले मैं काफ़ी सीन वर्क कर रही थी मेरे कोचेस के साथ. एंड आई ऑल्सो डिड अ प्ले विच वॉज अ फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली शो. वी शोकेस्ड नागमंडलम बाय गिरीश कर्नाड. So I think while I was doing that prep and I was already into the process of things, and उसके बाद जब ये opportunity आई, it got a little bit. मुझे आइडिया था कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, you know. But sometimes when you're on set, things can get very intimidating. But thankfully, all these actors that are, you know, a part of our film, such beautiful actors, they've been so kind to me. And at every level, अगर मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि, you know, मैं कहीं सही नहीं जा रही हूँ, तो they would hold my hand and be like, you know, we'll rehearse this with you. And I feel like it's a great blessing to have such supportive actors in the film with you, you know, that hold your hand through it, because for pehli picture mushkil hoti hai. The first shot was in Krish's house. There was a dialogue between Krish and Krish and Meera. So और सारे लोग थे, तो मेरा बहुत मैं डर गई थी काफी. So I remember this moment where Lakshman sir was like, you know what, come here. And then he just held my hand and he took a deep breath with me. And he's like, बड़े एक्टरों की पहली पिक्चर, पहला शॉट, you know, प्रॉब्लमैटिक होता है, डर जाते हैं. तुम्हारी तो पहली पिक्चर है, थोड़ी सांस लो. So I think that really helped me. And उसके बाद I think it was just flowing really well. I think you just need to get rid of that one nervousness and then sort of just be in the zone of things. It was very fast, dude. I did take retakes, of course I did take, but I think my director would only allow me like 3 because then it would flow, you know. I think we had spent so much time in the prep of it that more than allowing, I feel it would just, I would watch the whole scene first. He would take everybody else's parts, and he made me realize that मैं जब पूरी तरीके से देख लेती हूँ और लोगों को परफॉर्म करते देख लेती हूँ और उस जोन में घुस जाती हूँ, तो फिर एंड में मेरा परफॉर्मेंस अपने आप निकल के आ जाता है. सो ही सेड दैट यू लेट एवरीवन टेक देयर क्लोजेस एंड एवरीथिंग एंड देन यू डू योर पार्ट. सो दैट रियली वर्कड, आई थिंक, मोर देन रीटेक.
प्रिपरेशन ही इतनी अच्छी थी. हाँ.
And I mean, he was very supportive. I mean, I'm really happy that Saurabh is my first director. Nothing's easy, darling. I don't feel anything's easy. I feel like you have to spend your time doing something and getting into it completely. And I feel like today I've spent about 5 years in pop, and but then every song's not going to be a hit, or every song's not going to resonate with the people that Lijari did or Vaste did. But it's okay. Every song has its own process. उनकी खुद की life होती है, and at the same time, practice भी बहुत अलग है. But when, you know, acting is also very different. It's a different ball game. It's a part of the same art, but at the same time, it's a different रियाज है उसका और इसका different रियाज है. तो I felt like 5 साल अगर मैंने इसमें थोड़े से spend किए, तो थोड़ा ease आ गया है, थोड़ा सा ease आ गया कि at least पता है process, रियाज क्या है. और ये थोड़ी सी नई चीज़ है मेरे लिए, तो इसका भी करते रहेंगे, धीरे धीरे इसमें भी बेहतर होते रहेंगे. So I read the script and I was very attracted towards Meera's character because it's a story of a regular girl. We all want to live our own
Yes.
lives, you know. We all want freedom. We all want to have our own ideas. We want to take our own decisions.
Yes.
And the fact that she had the courage to leave her home and sort of find that really attracted me. And ऐसी बहुत सारी लड़कियां होती हैं जिन्हें अपनी टर्म्स में जीने का मौका नहीं मिलता,
आजादी नहीं
मिलती. As a society, I think we all can relate. You also. Decisions are always influenced, I feel, regardless of how hard we try. But I feel like मेरे घर पे ना मेरे डैड बहुत अलग हैं यार. वो उन्होंने हमेशा मेरा साथ दिया है. अगर मुझे कुछ फील हो रहा है या मुझे कुछ लाइफ में करना है, he has always listened to me. But I don't feel like इतना बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स लिबरल होते हैं. तो मैं उस तरीके से अपनी लाइफ से रिलेट नहीं कर पा रही थी मीरा के साथ. पर मैंने अपने अराउंड बहुत जब मैं बड़ी हो रही थी, जैसे ही 20 साल की हो जाती थी उनकी शादी हो जाती थी, यू नो, 20, 21, 22. And I would just one time I asked my mother, यार तुम भी करा दोगी क्या? So she said, no, you know, you do whatever you want. And till date they never asked me, बेटा बड़ी हो गई हो, थोड़ी शादी कर लो. I don't know, थोड़ी सी बड़ी हो गई हो, शादी कर लो. So I mean they've never said कि तुमको ये करना चाहिए, तुमको वो करना चाहिए. They've always said तुमको जो मन होता है तुम वो करो. And that way I've always been, मैं उस दायरे में रही हूँ. मैंने कभी रिबेल नहीं किया बिकॉज उन्होंने मुझे आज़ादी दी. एंड आई फील लाइक Meera rebels because she did not get that freedom. And that's what attracted me to the script and to the story. And I wanted to do it because I'd seen so many girls around me go through something like this. बहुत simple बात है, कभी कभी लोगों को important भी नहीं लगती है, but है. It is. Like, I feel like everybody, every woman, I feel, we're strong-headed, we know what we're doing. And we're emotionally, I feel like, much more mature. हम बहुत जल्दी बड़े हो जाते हैं. तो हमें अपने decisions लेने का हक
होना चाहिए.
It's very different. Like I said, I was quite nervous when the whole process started. मेरा पहला दिन, मेरा पहला shot मुश्किल था. But मेरी प्रेप ना स्ट्रॉन्ग थी मेरे हिसाब से. मैं रोज़ अपने डायरेक्टर के साथ बैठती थी. मैंने वर्कशॉप्स भी किए और मैंने इस चीज़ को लाइटली नहीं लिया. क्योंकि मुझे पता था कि जब हम सेट पे जाएंगे तब ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए कि आउट ऑफ प्लेस लग रहा है, यू नो, कि कैरेक्टर समझ नहीं आ रहा है. क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग इन्वॉल्व होते हैं, बहुत सारा पैसा लगा होता है और एक डायरेक्टर का विजन होता है जो उसे वो स्क्रिप्ट जिया हुआ होता है ना. तो उसकी विजन में अपने आप को फिट करना जरूरी है बिकॉज ही वांट्स हिज फिल्म टू लुक गुड एट द एंड ऑफ द डे. ही वांट्स हिज story to shine. And I feel like as actors, as vessels, we should be able to contribute to that. And since it was my first film, I knew I had to put in more than 100%. And I feel like I did. You know, मुझे पहले ऐसा फील होता था कि यार मुझे एक कंप्लीट आर्टिस्ट बनना है, बट कभी ऐसा नहीं सोचा कि फिल्म करूँगी एक दिन. पर while you're on your journey, you discover a few things about yourself that you're good at and that you're not good at. So I felt like I could do it. And before I jumped to any opportunity, not like I was getting a lot. I basically thought कि सीखना है मुझे, you know, interest level जो होता है. I think COVID के बीच में I just thought कि acting सीखनी है, भले फिर you know music videos में help होगा, but I want to learn the art. And that's why I started to work with Jayan sir. He is my coach. He would we would do scene work together, we would shoot it, and then I would show it to people that you know are in the business. My dad and you know a couple of people that I know, and they just said you keep going on and on, you know, learn and take more, practice more. And I feel like karat ki vidya hai, so you have to constantly keep doing it. And I did it. And while I was on my journey, kahan shuru kahan khatam happened. So I think it's just the stars aligned, and I'm on this path now, and now I feel like I'm on my journey to become a complete artist. To have all the sections in like be it acting, singing, and dancing and everything else. सब समझ आना चाहिए.
ऐसा लग रहा है कि टाइटल आप पे सूट कर रहा है. कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म.
खत्म हुआ नहीं है.
खत्म हुआ नहीं है.
होगा नहीं इतना जल्दी. यार मैंने तभी भी नहीं सोचा था एक्चुअली कि ये सब होगा. Even when I was doing songs, ऐसा थोड़ी हम सोचते हैं कि यार, मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा था तब कि यार मेरी बिल्डिंग में लोग सुन ले, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा गाना.
Wow.
So I had never sort of thought that things will work out that way. But cosmically, sometimes when you work so hard at something, and I always believe that momentum, when you're learning and when you're doing a certain thing, you have to give it your 100% and then leave it to God, because रिजल्ट ओरिएंटेड रहने में कुछ मजा नहीं आता है. यू हैव टू बी इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ थिंग्स एंड देन लेट द ऑडियंस डिसाइड एज टू व्हाट दे लाइक एंड व्हाट दे डोंट लाइक. And hopefully we've put a lot of effort into this film. I mean, so much time has gone. कितने सारे लोगों ने इतना मेहनत किया है इस पे. हम अकेले नहीं हैं, मैं और आशिम. Just hope कि सारा कुछ समेट ले अपने आप को, and then when people watch it, they actually feel the kind of hard work that's gone through, and they actually resonate with the story. ये हमारी आशा है basically.
How do you feel about that?
मैं एक्चुअली जब ये टाइटल हमें मिला, आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू सारेगामा एक्चुअली दैट दे लेट अस यूज सच आइकॉनिक सॉन्ग्स इन द फिल्म. एंड मुझे पता नहीं कि मुझे याद रखा जाएगा कि नहीं उन गानों के just one second. मुझे पता नहीं कि मुझे याद रखा जाएगा कि नहीं उन गानों के ऊपर, बट आई जस्ट होप कि at least I can be a small speck of it, years later when people talk about these songs. There are a lot of them, and young actors. I really want to work with Vicky Kaushal once. I think he's just fantastic.
Any favorite film of him?
I think I'm just looking forward to Chhaava.
Oh, excited.
Which is also done by Lakshman sir. It's very cool, yeah. It's so cool. I just felt like I'm living a dream, while in the process of things. I've been involved in so many things. मैंने कितना कुछ सीखा है. बहुत मजा आया मुझे. Like I said, it's just like very different. I'm literally on cloud 9 right now, even before the film has released, because I've done so much work in the film and I learned so much from so many people that I just feel like my stomach now is like, kind of full. Like there's some feeling of contentment that has come in terms of just gathering so much information. बहुत दूर है वैसे, बहुत कुछ सीखना है, but एक प्रोजेक्ट में अगर आप इतना समेट लो ना थोड़ा सा, तो अच्छा लगता है. Yeah.
I hope you